Okay, CFIN6, this is Chapter 7, Problem 13. Uh, this is again another unusual problem. This is effectively a non-constant growth problem with, I think, our initial growth rate being 0. So anyway, so since it has been in business, CFIN has paid $1 per share annual dividend. The company plans to pay its $1 dividend for the next 2 years, beginning in 3 years. However, CFIN plans to increase the dividend by 8% each year for the remainder of the company's life. If investors require a 17% rate of return to purchase CFIN's common stock, what should be the market value today? So, a couple of things. So, the current dividend is D0, so, and that's $1. They tell us that D1 and D2 are going to be $1 as well. So, dollar, D2, sorry, dollar. So, and then our growth rate after that is going to be 8%. And then our required rate of return is 17%. So if we were going to do this the way the book showed you, it would be P0 is equal to 1 divided by 1 plus the required rate of return, 1.17, plus 1 divided by 1.17 squared, plus, so that's D1, and this is D2. D3 is 1 multiplied by 1.08. Sorry, well, divided by R minus G, so it's 0.17 minus 0.08, and then we would have to present value that 2 years divided by 1.17 squared, and you should get $10.35. Okay, so the short way doing using a graphics calculator is P0 is 1 divided by 1.17, so that's year 1, so that's D1 divided by 1 plus the growth rate. Now, since D2 is going to grow at 8% perpetually, we can divide that by R minus G, 0.17 minus 0.08, and so that gives us the price in year 1. So we divide that 1 year, divide by 1.17, and then we should still get $10.35. If you want to use the cash flow function in your calculator, again, second cash flow, and always clear it out. Second clear. So CF0 is going to be 0. C01 is going to be our $1 dividend plus 1 divided by 0.17 minus 0.08. Then we, so again, you want to do this calculation with the division in it first and add the dollar. And then, so at the NPV key, and then it's going to come up I equals 0. We're going to enter our required rate of return, 17, hit enter, and go down and to NPV, hit compute, and you should get NPV is equal to $10.35.